If you want to recover deleted messages on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, it all depends on the app that you use for sending and receiving messages. So if you use this Messages app over here that is made by Google, then in that case you cannot really recover deleted messages. If you try to delete a conversation or a message, then you see this information that this action is permanent and it cannot be undone, meaning that you cannot recover deleted messages. But if you happen to have, for instance, the Samsung Messages app, let's actually set it by default. And if you try to delete the conversation by using this app, then in that case, this conversation goes to trash. And then you can tap on these three dots on the right side and go to trash. And here you have all these conversations that you have removed. You can tap and hold in order to restore those conversations before they are gone forever after 30 days. So if you don't have the Samsung Messages app, then you can use the Galaxy Store, and over here you should be able to find Samsung Messages app and install it. And that is it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!